A bad user experience is one of the biggest reasons for losing online customers. Are you looking for a clean and simple solution to seamlessly sell your products without having to waste time learning how to administer an online shop? Then try JUST-SELL.online. We've started a new approach to online shopping. Customers are able to install your online shop as an app on their mobile phone. Does your customer have no internet access? Because he's underground on the subway? Or is climbing a mountain? No problem. Your customers will still be able to browse and purchase your products while offline. Once they reconnect to the internet, their order will be sent. Our shop is professionally optimized to give your customers the best possible user experience. Other key features of your online shop include optimization for mobile phones and other devices, integrated SEO, optimized for Google and Facebook, easy setup of shipping fee configurations, flexible setup through easy to manage product options and types. Create the best possible photos of your products with an integrated professional image editor with AI background removal, cropping, formatting, and resizing. You can also add stickers, pictures, watermarks, or text to your product images. Use your preferred payment method, cash on delivery, PayPal, or credit card payments. With features like these, the sky's the limit. Contact us to find out more. No revenue-based fees, no need of IT experience. Just start selling in minutes. Just sell online.